So up here, where else can we make some money? I hope you're enjoying these videos again. Hope you're still watching and learning and saving, seeing how you can save some money. We had some wall sconces up here. One there, and one at each one of those locations. Four of them. They're really nice. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm not sure where I got them stacked. I thought I got them in the other. I think I got in the other bathroom. But she doesn't like the color of them. She wants to get something different, more modern. They're 15 years old, okay, but they're still in perfect shape, that we can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, see where the washer and dryer are? See this area here, that 45-degree cabinet we're going to put here, and then we're going to put a 3-footer there. So we'll have about a foot gap over here, and we'll have about a foot gap over here, and we won't have anything on this wall. And maybe we can put some open shelves there if we're looking for extra storage space. Because when you're in a condo, you need to utilize all the storage that you can. Oh, there was a little light here, but that's up in there. Nobody sees that, right? So we're going to keep that one. We'll reinstall that, but we'll sell the wall sconces. Okay, what else can we sell? Here's a little bathroom here. For the time being, we're going to get a different light fixture here. So the one that was on there, it was just a single finish on the wall, but then there was 2 heads coming out. And it looks pretty cool. Facebook Marketplace. Eventually, we're going to redo this bathroom. And so when we do, I can be careful when I take the cabinet out. This is self-closing hinge, self-closing drawers. This counter's nice. If I could pull up the counter and the sink along with the counter and the faucet all in one go and save the backsplash deals, I could sell that whole unit together. And then I don't know if we're going to put an elongated toilet in there or a new toilet. If we do, we can sell that toilet too. Okay, what else? There was a light fixture up here. I thought it was halfway decent, but she wants to replace it. Here it is. That's what it looks like, you know, with the trim and stuff. But we're going to get something new. Okay, so I can sell that too. Here, there's another light here. This is in the closet. You don't really see that when you're right here. All you do is see the light. So I think we're going to leave that. They're just nice little round ones. Here, this is what they look like. See? There's glass here, and then the trim. There's another one down there. I think we got 3 of those. Now we can put those back up in the closets. Fine, no problem. Okay. All the shelves they took down, I'm going to reinstall. But if you wanted to go with the new shelf system, take a picture of all your shelves before you take them down, and so somebody can see them, and then put it on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. There, boom. You know what? We're even going to replace this thermostat. The thermostat still works fine. I might even sell that for 10 bucks, 15 bucks. Somebody who comes out to buy one thing, I'll show them what else I got for sale, right? And it works fine, but where we have our electricity company, they'll come out and replace and put a brand new digital one that Momi can control on her cell phone. They'll do it for free. They'll do it for free. This electric company just happens to do that, and then they can monitor it during the summer. That's the key. The ticket, they can monitor it in the summer, and they can shut it off periodically on the hottest days where they need some extra power for somewhere else. You can override the system if you get too hot and you think, hey, what's going on? But they do that periodically during the hottest days of the summer, okay? That's okay, we can deal with that. Okay, so what else we got in here? We got that big ceiling fan that was here that kind of looks like the other one. But it didn't have a light kit. The extension rod on it wasn't very long. Well, I want a longer extension rod, and we're gonna get a different colored one, and we'll probably get some nice one with a light on there. We don't have any light in the bedroom. All you get is your nightstand lamps or another lamp plugged into a wall. There's no light in here per se. We may not use the ceiling fan light that often, but when we need it, we've got it. Plus it'll be on the remote, handheld remote control, and we can also control the on, off, high, medium, and low speeds, whereas right now we can't do that. You'd have to get up there on a ladder to pull the chain and then just leave it. Okay, do you like it in medium? Okay, let's leave it on medium from now on. So when we turn it on at the wall switch, it's gonna be on medium forevermore. If you want on high, oh brother, now I gotta get a tall ladder out here. We don't wanna mess with all that, okay? Facebook Marketplace, baby. What's happening in here? The only thing that's happening in here is she wants a new light. And the old one, I saved it. It's down under here. We've got it all cleaned and everything. She cleaned it. Obviously, if you take everything down, you want to have it presentable if you're going to sell it. And we cleaned them because I wasn't sure if she wanted to put them back up. I should have reviewed all that before I took all the stuff down, right? Because then I could have taken a picture of each individual thing. Now I have to take a picture of it on the ground and put all the little glass holders. This one came with 4 glass holders, but it was only like 3 foot long. Well, look how long this mirror is for a double vanity, right? And so if she likes a 4-footer, 5-footer, even a 6-footer, you can put a 6-foot long one here and have all the bling she wants with whatever type she gets. I can just hook it up there and then sell it. You know, and here's something else. All the doors and frames, I told you, you saw where I painted them. I took all the hinges off, the brass, nice brass finished hinges, nice brass Schlage handles, privacy handles for the bedroom, privacy handles for all of the bathrooms, and then some passage handles for the other ones, and one locked one for the garage. I'm gonna put all that stuff on Facebook Marketplace and see how it goes. Okay? So there's another tip for you on making some money on your demo.